you ever feel like a perfect bag drifting through the wind? When it's tried again, do you ever feel there's a paper thin like a house of cards and then do you ever feel already buried deep 6 feet on the street when you can't hear a thing? And you know that there's still a chance of you. Yes, of you. You gotta snipe the light and let it shine on the night like the 4th of July. Baby, you're flying wild over what they want. Baby, you are and you have to go. Baby, you're flying wild. To feel like a voice to say more original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, like a hurricane, comes a rainbow, in the night, for the door that closed, so you can open, but I'll lead you to the perfect road, and like a lightning bolt, your heart will blow. You can try tonight for let it shine. Oh, tonight with the stars of tonight. Baby, you're shine bright. Take us to walk in Hi, I want to just say hi to my friends Haley, Pina, Emma, Clack, and Shania.
Oh, wait.
Bye! Okay, stop.
I'm Rocky. I'm afraid of Shiny. Do you know that? Goodbye.